안녕하세요, 여러분. This is Tita Micah, aka Micah Uni, back again for another unboxing of a K-pop album. This time we'll be unboxing CL's Alpha and another bonus album. It'll be a surprise. Hope you will like this video. And let's get into it. So I received this box. I ordered this from Choice Music LA. It's my first time ordering from them. I usually order from Cave Square, but I also go to Choice Music LA just to check the price, the shipping fee and all that, but they're quite cheaper, so that's why I ordered through them. And also because I ordered on them because of the second album I got. But yeah, I'll be opening it. So the label's somewhere here, so I'm gonna open it here because I have my address on the box. There we go. So in the box we have the Choice Gang, which I know they always put this in all the packages that gets ordered from them. I'm glad that the albums are bubble wrapped properly. It's really nice to receive a undamaged album. So here, so I get the CL's Alpha album, and lo and behold, a 2NE1 Crush album. Yay! I've been wanting to have one 2NE1 album, and this is my first 2NE1 album. So which one should I start with? Let's go ahead and open Alpha first. I think this is gonna be easy open unboxing. Okay. It's so unique. This is a unique album. So it says Alpha, and at the back looks like this. Packaging is very unique. I hope I didn't damage this because I want to keep it in this packaging. It's empty, so it looks like this. It's burlap. It's like a thinner burlap material. It's just a cloth, which is brown beige. My lighting is not too good right now. I'm just using the natural light coming from the window, and it's sunset, almost sunset now, so it's kind of dark. I'm sorry about that. Anyway, this is quite hard to open. So this is the CD. It's not a case, but like a board. And then at the back it says Alpha. This is really unique. It's like eco-friendly. So it says here the songs that are in this album. So Spicy, first one, Lover Like Me, Chuck, Sigh, Let It, Tie a Cherry, Paradise, My Way, Siren, Hua, and 5 Star. Which most of them has music videos. So there you go. And what else is in here? I forgot what are the contents of this album. Oh, it's cute. It's empty, guys. So let's line it up here. Alright, and this is the photo book, I guess. Oh, that's really cute. It has its own cover, like a felt type material. That's cute. Very unique, is what I said. Guess I'm gonna have to repeat that over and over again. This is a very unique type of album. This is a sticker, CL, with a cherry. Cute. Wonder if I'm gonna put this in my laptop. I think it's quite too big. And then this one, I don't know what it's called. This one's one of the cards. And then there are no photo cards on this album. As maybe I'm collecting a lot of cards right now. K-pop cards from Twice, Blackpink, IU. So it could have been nice if I have a photo card from this album, but it's fine. That's fine. All right, let's go ahead and I guess can I open this? Oh, okay, I'm glad I did open it. So it's very gold. And the back as well. Should I zoom it in?